In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit slides in HubSpot image slider modules. So to do that, you first need to head over right here into your HubSpot page that you wish to edit. Once you're in there, you can open the page that you want to add the image slider. So for example, let me head on over and add right here onto this part the image slider. Click onto this plus icon to add the module. You can click onto the search bar in order to search for the slider itself. Click on this and search right here for image slider. So let's drag and drop it right here into this part. Now to add right here the image, you can proceed to click onto the actual image slider itself and it will load right here this left sidebar. You can see right here that we have in here this. You can just upload and add right here the image that you want added. Now you can also add the caption for this image, so you can remove some image that you want and delete them if you don't want them added. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, I will see you in my next video.